Oh my god, it's so hot today. It is absolutely fucking boiling. And guess what, guys? We've hit 100 subs today. Isn't that amazing? Like all that work, all that effort I've put in, and you get to finally see me. So unfortunately it's not going to be in this video. Aside from, you know, this section, I will I've got like a nice little cinematic skit to do, but again, I want to really thank you guys for the support, for the, you know, yeah, my music's died, god damn it. I had such a good mood going on then as well. It was like, yeah, bye. Now I gotta enjoy the lovely wind in my ears. So yeah, again, like as I was saying, thank you guys for everyone that stuck by me, especially my group guys. They're always persistent watchers, and I do appreciate it, honestly. Like I said, I'm not in this for the money or anything like that. In it for fun, in it for the community and talks, etc. So the face reveal will be done in a cinematic fashion, as I don't want to just do it for the sake of doing it. So that's just one of those things, but there's a lot of improvements coming, you know, your way. I will do a giveaway at some point, but not yet. I've just got to sort a few things out at the minute, so we'll see how we get on with that. However, in recent news, I am saving for my direct access test. I did have close to 200 for that. However, I had to dip into that because well, recent events, my other half is on, well, losing her job basically, or one of her jobs. She does part-time, 2 part-times, so it is unfortunate, but at the same time it is what it is. Like, as I was saying, it is what it is. I'm not too bothered about it, because what I do is I've got a little bit of loan left to pay off for this. I think it's like £400, maybe something like that, maybe a little bit less now. Once I've paid this bike off, I'm gonna use that loan then, which is like 700 quid I think it was, to pay for it. And whoa, that was weird. That just cut out on me. You could give it some beans if you want, but I said you can give it some beans. You can give it some beans. Yeah, it is quite far out when changing gear, so just change smooth as possible, even if you pull it all the way in and then just get a bite on the go. Like, I do love the CBR. What's that? I probably would end up getting a second-hand CBR maybe, I reckon. They are nice bikes. I do miss a liquid-cooled engine. Yeah, your mic's quite crackly. We're not far off now. Yeah, we're going up that way. Keep talking. Ah, right. I think it's because of the microphone as well, look. Because we're on normal call. Yeah, have you seen what they did up here? They got rid of all of the trees because it had dry rot. I think it was dry rot. But it was a disease, I think, that just plagued them all. Oh, it's busy down here, isn't it? I'm just trying to remember where. Just trying to remember. Oh, leather big boy through in it. He wanted a wheelie, I can't do a wheelie. What's that? No. But it's alright though, isn't it?